Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. It's going to be cloudy for the rest of your Monday with rain showers in places across the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. At the same time, we should see thunder showers in the eastern areas. Then on Tuesday, more intense thunderstorms are expected over the eastern half of South Africa. In the meantime, here's a look at the most recent satellite picture where we're seeing patches of high cloud streaming into the western areas. We also have a lot of rain-bearing clouds covering parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, and storm clouds popping up over the northeastern sections. Now, for the rest of your Monday, it's going to stay cloudy with rain showers in places across the Eastern Cape and much of KwaZulu-Natal. We are going to see isolated to scattered thunder showers across the northwest parts of the Free State, the northern areas of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as parts of the Mpumalanga, Gauteng, and Limpopo provinces. Mostly sunny skies are forecast over the western areas. We stay with unsettled weather this evening for the eastern parts of the country. It's going to become partly cloudy for parts of western South Africa. Now, this Monday, you can expect scattered rain and thunder showers over parts of the northwest, the Free State, southern Gauteng, and Mpumalanga, and much of KwaZulu-Natal. And where you see the lighter shades of blue, we are expecting up to a 40% chance of rain and thunder showers. We have a watch in place for severe thunderstorms that could produce large hail and damaging winds this Monday, where you see the shade of amber over the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, parts of the northwest and Free State, extending down into northern KwaZulu-Natal. A warning is also in place for high fire danger this Monday across the eastern parts of the Northern Cape. Now, in these parts of the country, it's going to be pretty hot this afternoon, with Upington and Kimberley reaching highs in the mid-30s, 35 for the top temperature, and Bloemfontein a bit cooler over the northeastern areas, where most areas should see top temperatures in the lower 30s. It's going to be pretty warm for the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, Richards Bay peaking at around 28 degrees, a warm 26 for Durban, cooler as we go towards East London, Bish and Port Elizabeth, where highs in the lower 20s are expected. A warm 24 is forecast for the top temperature in Cape Town. Light to moderate winds are forecasted this Monday from the west coast through the western and central interior into much of eastern South Africa. We are also expecting moderate winds along much of the east and the south coast, but it's going to become rather breezy later on this afternoon around the Cape Peninsula. Here's looking ahead to your Tuesday. It's going to be mostly sunny and warm to hot for the western areas, but the bulk of South Africa will see scattered to widespread rain and thunder showers extending from the Northern Cape into much of eastern South Africa and down into parts of the Eastern Cape. We stay with rain and thunder showers on Wednesday for the eastern parts of the country. Light rain for Port Elizabeth. It's going to become pretty quiet for the western parts of the country.